Single IMG lets you inspect, play, extract, and safely revise one FAT12 floppy disk image. Start on the Single IMG tab and choose Open IMG. Select the image you want to inspect. In this example, we open GoTech Demo 001. After loading, the status line shows the number of files, projected disk usage, remaining free space, and whether the image still fits within capacity. The technical panel identifies the image size, FAT12 file system, volume label, and disk geometry. The table shows both the official display name and the classic 8.3 file name stored inside the image. When a MusicNote Haven sidecar manifest is present, the viewer can restore the descriptive long name. Select a MIDI or karaoke entry before using a file action. Choose Play to preview it directly from the image. The status line confirms which internal FAT file name is currently playing. Choose Extract IMG when you want a normal folder containing all files from the image. Select a safe destination folder and confirm the extraction. You can also stage additions. Here, ABBA Tiger.mid is marked as new with the action ADD. The original image has not changed yet. The status shows 1 staged addition, 9 projected files, updated usage, and capacity OK. Review staged changes before writing. Clear staged changes cancels pending edits without changing the source image. For the safest workflow, choose Save As rather than overwriting the original. We save this example as GoTech Demo 001 edited.img. The result folder contains the original image and the edited copy. Keeping the original provides a reliable rollback point when testing a keyboard, synthesizer, sampler, or GoTech device.